Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This is a Hisense 8 kg washing machine. So let's see what is the problem. Let me turn on and start button. This is the start button. So E1. So this is the problem. This error code is E1. So E1. So let's see how to fix it. There are 4 screws. So you just remove the 4 screws. Then you can remove the top cover. So let me turn it off. Then remove this top cover. You can open the top cover. So then there is also screws. We have to unscrew all the screws. Actually this problem is this door switch E1. If E1 error code is a door switch is problem. If you want, you can change the door switch also, but I don't want to change. I'll join each other. This two wire, just you joined it together. If you want, you can change new switch also can. So see dear viewers, I have connected each other. So after that we have to wire tap. By tap we have to use it. So let's see how is it now. Start button. So dear viewers, alhamdulillah, so this problem has been solved. So it's really easy to fix it. So dear viewers, there is no error code. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.